Hi guys, today we will talk about the CapCut app and how to use video effects on it. Let's open our CapCut. I need to choose some photo as an example from the camera, album and photo section. Let's import this picture from the Home Alone. Okay. So right now we have our picture, so let's scroll a little bit the period menu and we need to stop our choice on effects. So we can also use body effects, photo effects, but I'm very interested only in video effects. We have a lot of options right now. We can create really very cool features you can use after for your TikToks, for the IG stories and reels. It's really very interesting. And you can definitely create a lot of different videos just only with one photo. These recordings probably can be very popular. So let's tap on this check mark to save changes. And guys, don't forget that you can control this edit effect after dragging this white line to the right side or left side, of course, to the duration and the started and the ending point of this effect. So I will start it as an example here. And also don't forget to delete this default ending with the CapCut logo. Okay, so let's check the result, guys, after tapping on display button. Wow, super. I'm sure that this tutorial was useful. To save this editing, this project, let's tap on this save. Okay, and well done. Let's check our gallery. We have it. This is our new video. Guys, don't forget to like this tutorial. It was short, but I'm sure it was useful. So let's subscribe also to our channel to find even more cool tricks about the CapCut and other programs. So goodbye guys, good luck!